Hello YouTubers and eBay buyers. Here we have this antique brass 1984 Hunter original. This is a 1.1 reversible model. The reverse switch is on top of the motor. The fan is in decent shape. It's not the greatest, but it still looks quite good for its part. The most noticeable thing on this fan, if you look at the vent, you can see a little bit of spotting just somewhere it's been resting at. The blades are in pretty decent shape. The tips are a little worn. And then the top of the motor is kind of just gunky. That's some black stuff. I'm going to try and get that cleaned off of there. It does include this light kit, which is a three-way light kit. So you pull it once, you get these two, pull it twice, you get these two, and then you pull it again, you get all four. Them off. So I find that kind of neat. Let's go over here and look at the tag. I don't think I did that yet on this one. It is sporting the older Hunter original tag. So you can see the serial number up there pretty well. And yeah, so let's go ahead and put it through its paces. Starting with low speed. High, medium, low. Oop. Another really nice low speed. This is one of the more powerful 1.1s. This is why I don't like the 1.1s. They vary between fan to fan for some reason pretty greatly. This one's pretty powerful compared to some other ones I've tested. So you see the low speed is very nice. Let's go ahead. Slight hum as usual. Go to medium. Medium smooth, already moving a great amount of air. I can feel it all the way over here. And okay, let's go ahead and go to high. Very well balanced, almost perfect. Boy, what is? Let's move some air. Very nice. This fan may not go on eBay, so one of my friends is possibly interested in it, so we'll see what happens there. If you do know me in Florida, I do sell locally also. So man, I sell pretty often locally as well as I do eBay. Let's go ahead and do spin down. This one, when I got it, still had oil inside it, so it's been well taken care of through its life. The oil came out clean too. Overall, just a nice fan. Said, not perfect by any means, but it definitely still looks its part and functions great, just like the day it was built. Probably tomorrow or Friday I'll start testing some of the 36-inch stuff. A lot of these videos, they may not have an eBay link right away. Some of them might be a few weeks down the road. I'm just making the video so I can have a backlog and have it saved so I can get something of it later on. But by all means, if you don't see it on eBay, you're welcome to send me an offer through YouTube or my email, which is in the link on there. Alright guys, that seems that's all there is for today. Thanks again for watching.